Hi, Manli. I have tried to make some data treatment on the data. We made the FTIR data. And as you can see here, I have added all the data, the CSV data, into Excel. So they are here, and I have named them sample 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then down here you can see the ones that have been washed one time is in this sheet or tab, and the 16 times washed data are in this one. So when going back here to the ones that have been washed one time, I have made a graph here with the 4 samples. And when you look at them, you can see something around here that is different between them. So the blue one is different, and that is sample 1. Then in this other sheet down here, I have found 2 other specters I had from last time we had the demo, where I have one of viscose and one of PLA. And the blue one here is viscose and the green one is PLA. So there is this very clear peak around 1750. That is from the PLA, that is a contribution from PLA. Then when I make a close-up at this area, so I've zoomed very much in the area from 1550 to 1950, it's this area where the PLA peak is 750. There is mostly a peak, maybe a little bit here in the red one in sample 2, but there is a peak in sample 1. So my question is to you, what does sample 1, 2, 3, and 4 mean? So which one of these ones are the polypropylene one, and which one are the 2 with mice fever, and which one is with viscose alone? Of course, according to this, the blue one is the only one with PLA, and the other ones look as if they only have viscose content, according to the bigger and the smaller spectra. Then when we look at the 16 times washed, I have the same data here, sample 1, 2, 3, 4, but the ones that have been washed 16 times, made the graph here, or the graph. And here it's funny to see that this one, the gray one that is a sample 3, has this PLA peak together with the OH viscose contribution around here. But sample 3 is the one with the PLA peak. And that is also visible here, maybe a little bit shifted, but it still looks as if this is the one. And actually, I didn't change this one. I'll do it before I send it to you, so that the axis here has been modified. But according to this close-up, the gray one here is the only one with PLA in it. The 3 other ones only have viscose. Yeah, those were the words for now. By the way, I right now see here that there's a contribution here as well in sample 3, which is completely not seen anywhere else. So I don't know what the heck is, what is this one around 1238, what that may be. So that is interesting. There's also something around here, 725. I don't know what that is either. And here maybe is something as well that is different. So if I have I'll just make another sketch in another tab where I show this gray one together with PLA and see how well they fit with each other. I'll send this sheet to you, this Excel sheet, so that you can play around with it. Bye bye.